Hello everyone, welcome back to the Design Pantry channel. Today I have a mukbang, a car mukbang. I'm in a different location of the car. I ordered a mushroom Swiss burger from a place called Little Big Burger here in North Carolina. That's my son's burger. I'm not gonna eat that one, but I am trying the MAUI WOIE burger from them, and I got it with a lettuce wrap, no bun, and this is what it looks like. So the MAUI WOIE has grilled pineapples, well, a slice of grilled pineapple on top. Let's see if you can get inside so you can see. Eating with a burger without a bun is a little messy, but this is what it looks. Oh no, that's what I didn't want to happen. Okay. Yeah, this is the grilled pineapple. It's I got a medium well bun and onions, and then there's a secret fry sauce that they have. So I also ordered some truffle fries, which I'm not going to eat much of, probably just a few, but it's very, very, very delicious. Very, very tasty. And they also have their own fry sauce, like their own sauce. I don't know what's in it. It's a secret, but it's yummy. I'm going to have a fry. I love truffle fries. I don't know. There's a restaurant here in North Carolina at the Restoration Hardware. They have a rooftop restaurant and they serve the best truffle fries that I've ever had personally. They're really, 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 really good. I went to the gym today and worked out. So I should not be eating this post-workout. If anything, if I wanted to cheat, I should have cheated earlier in the day. But we're gonna have a few fries. We're gonna try the MAUI WOIE burger from Little Burger together. I'm not gonna add any sauce because it has a sauce that comes with the sauce. There's a sauce on it already. So I'm just gonna try it just the way it is. Everyone's having an amazing day today. I had a beautiful day, lovely day. I just finished viewing some model homes and they were really, really, really nice. I'm gonna post the preview, or maybe I'll just post the whole thing too. So here you can see there's pineapple and bun, and of course the lettuce as the wrap. Let's try it together. This is delicious. Oh no. This is something I'll definitely try at home. This is a really up close mukbang. We're really up close and personal. But this is definitely something I am going to try to make. Well, definitely reorder this. I think I've been ordering the basic burger, like the classic burger, whenever I go there, but I'm gonna order the MAUI WOIE burger the next time again. It's really, really, really good. Really good. I want to say the sweetness of the pineapple and then a little bit of salt from the cheese, and it's making this burger really say wow. It's really, really, really good. I like it a lot, and I like their sauce, and it's filling. I don't miss the fact that I'm not having the burger on a bun. Like, it's really good. got a deal. I have to share that. There's an app for Little Big Burger. Or, no, I didn't use the app. I ordered it online. I think, like, because they're fairly new in this area of North Carolina, Charlotte, North Carolina, they're offering like a free burger as a reward, and so therefore I think both of the burgers are the same price, and I got one of them free, so I only paid for one burger and the order fries for my son, and I pretty much got this complimentary, and I really do like it. So it's a smart technique, because I definitely will bring people back, and like, I'm coming back and I'm gonna order the MAUI burger, because it does make you say wow. And I guess it does bring you to Maui a little bit with the pineapple flavor and the sauce. It kind of makes you feel like you're in Hawaii. Yeah, that's a wow. Very good. Very good. I don't think I'm saving another bite for later. I am going to eat the whole thing with you guys right now. It's the star with the pineapple and the cheese. It's all just an amazing combination. It's very good. Very good. I can't say it one more time. And this could be a commercial for Little Big Burger. Their Maui burger is really good. I mean, I don't think I've had a bad burger from them, but this is my first time trying this one, and so far this one is my favorite. Open. It's really good. I definitely recommend Little Big Burger. The burgers are good. And the truffle fries, really tasty. So that's it for the fries for me. I did treat myself to a few fries, but that's it. I'm not going to eat it all, because that thing will get me in some serious trouble, because it tastes really good. Okay, I'd like to thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell, so this way you could be notified. I'm still eating burger. So this way you could be notified anytime I post a video. Alright, I will see you again soon. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.